How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Stay home, stay safe. After a long time, we're back. Now it's time to study again. I hope you all will enjoy your summer vacations and have lots of fun with your parents. Now it's time to study. So I'll start with a rhyme. We have already learned that rhyme previous also. So let's start. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start the little rabbit rhyme. Are you ready to recite the rhyme? Okay, let's recite it together. I saw a little rabbit hop, hop, hop.
I saw a little rabbit hop, hop, hop.
I saw his ears go flop, flop, flop.
I saw his ears go flop, flop, flop.
I saw his nose go wink, wink, wink.
I saw his nose go wink, wink, wink.
I saw his eyes go blink, blink, blink.
I saw his eyes go blink, blink, blink.
I said, little rabbit, won't you stay?
I said, little rabbit, won't you stay?
He looked at me.
He looked at me
And hopped away.
and he hopped away.
Once again, I saw a little rabbit go hop, hop, hop.
I saw a little rabbit go hop, hop, hop.
I saw his ears go flop, flop, flop.
I saw his ears go flop, flop, flop.
I saw his nose go wink, wink, wink.
I saw his nose go wink, wink, wink.
I saw his eyes go blink, blink, blink.
I saw his eyes go blink, blink, blink.
I said,
little rabbit,
won't you stay?
won't you stay?
He looked at me
He looked at me
and hopped away.
and hopped away.
Now we'll start chapter number 2. It's related to rabbit and duck. So chapter 2 is Hoppity hop, splash, splash. Before reading the chapter, we learn new words from this chapter. So it's easy for you to read the chapter and you know how to pronounce the word clearly. So, are you ready for that? So, shall we start? Okay. So, first of all, tell me what date is today? Today is 13th of July 2020. And do you know what day is today? Yes, today is Monday. Monday. So we will spell Monday M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. So when I am writing new words on the blackboard, you have to look at that and repeat after me. Chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Hoppity hop, splash, What is the name of the chapter? Hoppity hop, splash, splash. Now we learn new words. New words. While writing the new words, when you are trying to write it on your notebook, you also write down chapter number 2, the name of the chapter. You must be mentioned date there and day also. And write down new word. So, number 1 is play. P-L-A-Y. Play. 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 Number 2 is swim. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. S says thing. Win. Swim. Why I am telling the words? So you know how to read that word easily. And it's easy for you to read and know the word. Now next is hop. Hop. H-O-P. Hop. H-C. Hop. Off. Hop. Hop. Off. Hop. So how to pronounce hop? Hop. Off. Hop. Now number 4. Number 4 is your duck. G-U-C-K. Duck. Duck. D says duck. Up. Duck. G-U-C-K. Duck. Are we blended? D says duck. Up. Duck. And number 5 is rabbit. 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 How will we rabbit? Rabbit. Rabbit. R says R. A says F. Bit. Rabbit. Rabbit. And number 6 is pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. 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 P says on. Pond. How we read pond? On. Pond. Next is near. Air. Near. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. start again from the beginning. Number 1 is play. P says puff. L-A-Y, live. Play. Play. Number 2 is swing. S-says sup. Swim. Swing. Sup. Win. W-I-M. Win. Swing. And the next is hop. H says hop. 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 Then number 4 is duck. Duck. D says duck. Up. Duck. And number 5 is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Bit. Rabbit. R says bit. Rabbit. Then number 6 is pond. P says on. Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Then 7 number is near. N-E-A-R. Near. So we blend this word. N says N. None. Near. And 8 is come. C says come. On. Come. So C-O-M-E. Come. So in this way, you have to read at home loudly. So it's easy for you to read the chapter well. And learn all the words. Learn and write it in your English notebook.